Have you heard of snow in Karachi? Today you will. Today we're going to show you how to create snow in a warm city in a studio. Hi, this is Kashif Rashid. I'm a portrait and fashion photographer based in Karachi, Pakistan. We're going to take you behind the scenes of a shoot that I did for our client Mantra for their winter collection. To create the snow effect, we used two things. First, we used a snow blower which looks something like this, which basically takes out snow particles from this. But that was not enough. Then we used these styrofoam particles. Can you see them? Yeah, so these are these little ball styrofoam particles that we have. They sort of look like snow. Well, they're not. Yeah, so we use these. It's falling down. Let me pick this up. So we created a container and we put these styrofoam bubbles inside that and we put them on the model so that it added more snow effect on the background and it looked more real. So our lighting chart looked like this. In front we had our lights with our key light on the camera right with a 48-inch octa and a fill light on the left, 45 degrees with a 3x2 fit softbox. We also had a rim light behind the model, camera left with the standard reflector on. And that's it. That's how we did the light, and voila! The assistant made the place colder by using both these things that were set up. I hope you enjoy the results. So this is how we did that shoot last year. If you like this video or if you want to keep learning, do subscribe, press the subscribe button, like this video, share it with your friends, tell everybody about it.